I will show you how to get the best understanding of airplane engineering in just 1 minute. Ready? Let's go. Picture this, a massive airplane, heavier than 100 elephants soaring effortlessly through the sky. How does it defy gravity? It's all about four forces: lift, thrust, drag, and gravity. Lift is generated by the wings thanks to their special shape. Thrust, that's the jet engines pushing the plane forward. Drag is the air resisting, and gravity is what pulls everything down. Now let's rewind to one. The Wright brothers made history with their first powered flight. Fast forward to today, we have engineering marvels like the Boeing 787 and Airbus A380. And guess what? Modern planes use AI for autopilot, navigation, and even safety checks. Amazing, right? Hit like if you've ever dreamed of being a pilot and subscribe to AI Paradox for more tech wonders.